Are you getting this error message while trying to connect your PC from your USB and trying to use internet? So I'm getting this error message, so I will resolve this issue. I will show you each steps properly. So watch this video till then to know the best solution. In your phone you need to turn on developers mode. I hope you know how to turn on developers mode. If it is not enabled, you can enable it. Now you need to go to developer mode and you need to simply turn on USB debugging, and after that you need to turn on tethering hardware acceleration. So you need to turn on two options, USB debugging and tethering hardware acceleration. To make sure to turn both the option on, to turn on both the options again, turn on this tethering hardware acceleration. So scroll down, you will find it. It is very easy. I have given steps in the video description as well. After doing these things, you need to again go to the settings of your phone and you need to open display, and after that you need to increase the timing of the screen timeout. So make sure to increase the timing of your screen timeout. After that, make sure to install the software updates in your phone, update it to the latest version, restart your phone. After doing all these steps, make sure to restart your phone, also restart your PC, and make sure to do it, restart both the devices and try to connect USB and check internet connection. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.